On the morning after the verdict, Donald Trump says he blamed rather bad people for his conviction. He called the trial very unfair and the judge highly conflicted. He insisted he did nothing wrong. The former president faces the possibility of prison time or probation. He is scheduled to receive his sentence July 11th, days before the Republican National Convention. Trump announced he will appeal, which would delay sentencing and likely drag out the case beyond November 5th.
This is a scam. There's a rigged trial. It shouldn't have been in that venue. We shouldn't have had that judge.
The jury's verdict followed more than 9 hours of deliberations over 2 days, making Trump a felon. Jurors believe Trump did falsify business records to hide hush money paid to a porn star as part of a scheme to illegally influence the 2016 election. Stormy Daniels testified she had sex with Trump in 2006. Star prosecution witness Trump's former attorney Michael Cohen told jurors he paid Daniels to buy her silence, and when Trump reimbursed him, payments were listed as legal expenses. Trump did not take the stand during the weeks-long trial. Speaking at Trump Tower, he also said he wanted to testify, and he appeared to wear his conviction like a badge of honor.
It's a very sad thing that's happening in our country, and it's a thing that I'm honored. In a way, I'm honored. It's not that it's pleasant. It's very bad for family. It's very bad for friends and businesses. But I'm honored to be involved in it because somebody has to do it, and I might as well keep going and be the one.
I did my job. We did our job. Many voices out there. The only voice that matters is the voice of the jury, and the jury has spoken. We arrived at this trial, and ultimately today at this verdict, in the same manner as every other case that comes through the courtroom doors, by following the facts and the law, and doing so without fear or favor.
The DA has declined to say if he will seek prison time. He did not ask for Trump to post any bond. The conviction does not bar Trump from campaigning. Next week, he is scheduled to begin a fundraising tour with stops in states including Nevada and California. Back to you.
Judy Wang, thank you.